สบายดีพี่น้องมื้อนี้สิมาเฮ็ดของหวานสู่กินแล้วเป็นค่อยมีหมักถั่วเหลืองเพราะว่ากินข้าวกินน้ำเรียบร้อยแล้วนั่งซื่อๆบ่มีแนวกินหาแนวว่างสิกินให้มันที่ว่าเป็นของหวานแต่ว่าของหวานแต่ว่าแข็งแรงบ่แม่นของหวานสิแบบที่ว่าน้ำตาลมาทำกันเลยของหวานแบบที่ว่ามีคุณภาพเป็นมันเป็นหมักถั่วเหลืองโอเคโอเคก็นี่อันนี้ก็หมักถั่วเหลืองค่อยมาไว้เมื่อคืนนี้เนาะมาเฮ็ดอันนั้นเขาหอมมันยังก่อนต่อส่วนมาเฮ็ดกันก่อนสิเฮ็ดเฮาก็ล้างก่อนเนาะเพราะหมักถั่วค่อยมาไว้เมื่อคืนนี้โอเค I'm gonna make the mung bean dessert guy mung bean dessert tapioca dessert so come on just follow me how I'm gonna do this healthy dessert okay first of all I'm gonna clean very well and going boil it just clean again until this bean very nice and clear ล้างให้จนสะอาดพี่น้องโอเคล้างจนสะอาดเป็นต้มง่ายๆเลยอาหารนี่แหละของก็ใช้กระเฮ็ดเป็นแบบที่ว่าแห้งๆแบบนี้ healthy dessert alright let's go to boil it done แล้วล่ะโอเคสะอาดแล้วเอาขึ้นเลยเห็นปะสะอาดก่อน Okay, I'm using spring water. Go ahead, start put the water in the pot right here, and we start cooking. เริ่มต้นเฮ็ดของหวานกันเลยพี่น้องต้มหมักถั่วกันเนาะสบายโอเคอันนี้ก็หมักถั่วข้างหลังเรียบร้อยแล้ว I already cleaned this. Go ahead, put in the water here, boil it together at the same time. Okay, let it cook. Okay, guys, this is tapioca powder. Okay, oh my man, แป้งข้าวจาน sorry. Okay, tapioca powder.Sorry, I picked up the wrong one. This is the right one. อันแป้งมันเด้อพี่น้องเด้อ Okay. First, I'm gonna go ahead and make the tapioca with water. I think about 10 teaspoon. Okay, teaspoon 3 บวงเด้อแล้วก็เอาน้ำถอกใส่เตรียมไว้ Just get ready เตรียมไว้เวลาเราใส่ get ready for tapioca powder and then we're gonna make mung bean dessert. Gonna be very healthy, guys. Follow me. Let's go do it. Okay, I have house plant. This is Panda. I plant in my house. Now I'm gonna take this Panda tree to make this dessert. Smells very good. I love. This is benefits a house plant. Okay, guys, let's go make dessert. This right here. You can plant this at home, and when you need this, all be fresh for you right here. Come on, let's go do it. First, I have to clean first. Okay, my panda's already clean, so I'm gonna go ahead put in here. This is a good flavor and plus benefit of this herb. Okay, guys, house benefit plant. I love panda. So okay, let's boil it. ต้มกันสักก่อน Ingredient is gonna be tapioca powder. Get ready. And salt, a little bit salt, and then brown sugar, guys. Okay, first of all, let different cook further. I show you how to seasoning or the sugar in here. And even ginger candy. This is ginger candy, guys. Ginger candy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this ginger. This ginger has sugar. Put some in there. They have sugar in there. All right. Again, guys. When I'm cooking, no rule, no limit. You can put anything you want to put, okay? I put the candy ginger, make it smell so good. I don't have fresh ginger, so I have to using this one. Alright, let's boil about 5 minutes. I'll go. So just waiting until they're done. Okay, guys, this is sugar, rock sugar. So rock sugar is natural, so I'm gonna go ahead and use rock sugar to put one in there. See that like a stone, but this is sugar natural. Alright, let's put in there first. Okay, the rock sugar in. I'm gonna go ahead add a little salt, just a little bit salt, not that much, just this much. Okay. If I need some more, I add more. So you see that it's very natural sugar put in there, and I will take this one all after that. Okay, now it's like 10 minutes already. I'm gonna take this order. The form right here, you don't eat this form. Take it off, okay? And the panda leaf right here, take it off. Don't need that. Got all the taste already in there. Smells so good. Take off all of them. Okay, all the pandas out. We don't need that because all the flavors already in. Take it off and taste it. Enough sugar or not? Perfect. I don't want too sweet. Okay, that bean boiled for 20 minutes already. I'm gonna go ahead put tapioca water in here. Okay, make a nice stick together. All right, time ready to put this one in. Oh yeah, time for put the tapioca water in so I can make this. This is healthy dessert, guys. Okay, go ahead, just put in here. I put in all of it. I want it thick and nice and tight. See that? Oh my God, that's so good. Look at this. If it's too tight, over add some more water. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more water. Have a little bit loose out for a minute. See that? Very, very delicious looking good, right? So easy, very easy. It's like a pudding. If you wanna speak like the way American people they make dessert like a pudding. So good. Okay. See that it's ready. So go ahead, turn it off. I turn it off. See that looks so good. And then after that, I put coconut milk in there. When you want to eat, you put coconut milk. Looking good, right, guys? There you have it, done. Gonna go ahead, serve in the bowl. Eat warm is even better. I want you to see closer. Look at that. Nice. Healthy dessert, mung bean, tapioca, and rock sugar with panda leaf, home plant panda leaf. Crazy good, huh? And you see the coconut. They say alloy D coconut. This is very good coconut from Thai. You can use this brand. It's very the best coconut brand. Okay, let's go open this. Now I'm gonna go ahead serve. Just take whatever you need. It's very healthy dessert, guys. Okay. Oops, sorry. See that? And go ahead, put this coconut milk in here. Put how much you want. That's good enough right there. Looking good, right? There you have it, guys. Looking good. Let's go eat. Very simple and easy. And leftover, I can eat tonight or tomorrow. I don't feel guilty to eat this dessert because it's very healthy. Let's go eat this. Here come dessert, guys. Come on, join me. It's so good and healthy.มากินน้ำกันพี่น้องมึงเรื่องนี้เป็นตาแสบบ่เนี่ยโอ้ my goodness ลูกเห็ดกินห่อนๆเลยนี่นะกินห่อนๆนี่แซ่บคนไทยมากินก็ต้องกินเย็นคนไทยบางห้องก็กินห่อน It's very healthy dessert, guys. Okay, come on, have some with me. สิยังห่อนๆเลยบอกแซ่บๆ very good. Alright, let's eat. มาเด้อพี่น้องมากินน้ำกันเด้อแซ่บที่สุดเลยนี่นะกินอะไรคือข่อยบ้านนะยี่เพื่อนหาแต่แน่กินขั้นเฮากินเฮาก็ต้องกินในเวทเฮลตี้เนาะกินในเฮลตี้เขาก็บ่อยากกินเพราะว่าย่านอ้วนแซ่บหอมใบเตยแล้วก็หอมอันน้ำตาล smell very good panda it smells so good and then especially panda and rock sugar and coconut it smells so good and ginger all this yeah. Okay guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to see new video and กดไลค์กดแชร์ให้ได้เด้อ make the new one okay guys กดสิโอเคปล่อยให้มันเย็นหน่อยนึงแซ่บมาเด้อ thank you for watching see you guys next video bye